Hi everyone, my name is Daniel and today I'm going to unbox this 12-liter low energy dehumidifier. It actually dries the air to combat damp, mold and condensation. Here you go. So it comes in this little box here, as you can see. I'm going to open, which was already open, and it has a nice little handle so you can pull it out. I put it on this table here so you can see how it is. Turn it on. Actually, I'm going to turn it on after I put the filter. So if you turn it around, here you can see the place where you put the filter on. And just pull it like that. Here's some type of filter already. You can just leave it there. It comes with one filter. But if you want to buy other filters, you can buy this pack of 3 filters, and I'll tell you it costs £34.99 at John Lewis. Alright, 3 filters. Just put it there like that. Very easy. Try to close it back. Also very easy. This is where it collects the water, right? Here it is. When it's full, you can just open there and throw it. There we go. Nice. There's a filter. Alright, so if you want to come over here, you can see this is the on sign. You press it, it's already working. So when we're reading the manual, basically you have, it's very simple, you have the up and down where you're gonna set the percentage of humidity you want in the air. So if you press up, you can set here for 50% humidity. This is what they recommend here in the manual. There's also this CO settings or AP settings. I'll tell you what it is. Here, if you choose the CO mode, the humidifier will run continuously and never stop. If you choose AP mode, the humidifier will just purify the air and not collect any water. So this is what it is for. So you can set this to molds, or you can set the percentage of humidity you want in the air. Here on the left you have the timer. Basically it sets the how many hours you want the dehumidifier to turn off. So if you press here this and then you want it to turn it off in 2 hours, that's it. That's what it is. So in 2 hours it's gonna turn it off. Very easy, huh? It's easy. It's done. Here you got this little sticker. I don't know if you wanna, maybe if you have a shop, you can put it in your window or something. And this is what it does. It prevents the humidity, the mold. You know, it prevents some allergies because it collects particles from the air also in the filter. Unfortunately, it doesn't collect any viruses. So it's not gonna protect you from any viruses, we know. But this is great. It helps dry your clothes faster because less humidity in the air, you know, especially here in England, it's gonna be great.
That's great.
Yeah, and it's all good. So I hope you like it. If you have any questions, you know, just write it down.